对，我们也对，才不能有，两个楼是两个人，人不人没刚刚听的，我们现在就要采购了。那边也是。对，这边也是。这个是不玩好的呢。
Okay, so you tell me a little bit about the museum.
Okay, hi Bob, this is Yu, and I'm gonna tell you a little about the museum. The museum is divided into several parts, and they're going to talk about the history of the China's car industry and several of the honors that won by selling cars, and there are also some facilities provided for the audiences that they can use these facilities to have a good experience of the visual speed driving experience. Yeah, it's quite about that. Okay.
Oh, okay. Well, great. So, is it what days is it open?
It opens to the public on May 26, 2017.
Okay, that's when it opens. So is it open on weekends, Monday through Friday? When is it open?
I need to check it.
Okay, all right. So that's okay. So so there are race cars on the inside.
Yes, when it opens, there's race cars inside, but now they have sent the cars to other places for other purposes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Okay, my pleasure. Hi, Bob. I'm going to tell you something about the factory, and this is the map of the whole factory. And now we are working on the phase 1, phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. The green one is the phase 1, and is what we are working on now. And the phase 1 covers an area of about 630,000 square meters, and there are several workshops here. There are the welding workshop, the painting workshop. The first one is the pressing workshop, and the second one is the welding workshop. The third one is the painting workshop, and the fourth one is the engine development workshop. next one is the assembly workshop.
Okay, and how many employees?
We're going to hire 700 to 800 employees here, and the whole project is expected to be completed in April in 几月？哎，这个是几月来着？
你说
它是6月份
啊，6月底有下象仪式，有头场。
是整个17的是吗？
对，总招车间，总招车间
就是总招车间。
对，快6月底会有产品会下线。
And the assembly workshop is expected to be completed in the middle of this year, and they're gonna be start to produce cars at that time.
Okay, and about how many square feet is phase 1?
What?
Phase 1 is how many square feet square meters?
Square meters?
Yeah.
The phase 1 covers an area of about 630,000 square meters.